Welcome to Bahar Artist channel. Today I want to draw a sketch of Sonic the Hedgehog. Let's go drawing. I start my sketch with his nose. It's a small circle. Then I draw the lowest part of his face. These two parts are similar. Now I start his eyes from the middle of his nose. His eyes are similar too. If you want drawing videos like that, don't forget my channel and subscribe Bahar Artist. I draw a small circle in every eyes. Now it's turn of drawing the blades. The first blade is beside his eyes and below his mouth. Now I draw second blades, like that. It's smaller than the first. I draw two triangles for his ears, like that. One of them is bigger and one of them is smaller. Now I draw the highest and the biggest blades on his head. I draw the second ears like the first, but it's smaller. The last blades is similar like the first. Start shading with special drawing pencil. It's 4B. I don't shade the small circle on his nose. For these parts, I draw the margins darker, like that. For his eyes, I don't paint the small circle. just start shading around his eyes like that. Some part of his ear is darker. The important point in shading is that you should fade the line between the dark side and the light side. I draw in my channel every day. Also, I drew Sonic so many times. And I drew Tails, Shadow, Baby Sonic, Metal Sonic, and Amy Rose so many times too. For getting more drawing, don't forget my channel. Well guys, my drawing is finished. If you enjoy from this video, please like it. And tell me in comments which celebrities or characters do you want that I draw in the next videos.